video we'll solve some questions here, like this question, how to be able to read this diagram and start or use codes or convert it to codes. So here we will use if statement, and then we will use again another example here for if statement. After that we will go with the switch case. So let's start with this diagram. Here, as you can see, this is recorded flow chart. So the program will start. We need to input mark. So here in code, what's mean of input? We will ask user to input. So means we will use scanf. And then this means here we have two conditions. We have one conditions and two results. So here, like this, we will use if statement. If yes, so the condition is mark greater than or equal 60. So if yes, print pass. If false, print fail. And then stop the program. So let's do it now. So here in our environment, what we need to start with, we will use here one variable, which is x variable, and then here we will we'll ask the user to input the value of x. So printf enter the value of, or let's say enter mark, right? So enter your mark. Scanf, this is integer, so take decimal or integer, comma, scan here x, stars, save the value in x in the memory, and then here if what, if x, we will use here equal to compare between the two variables inside if. So we'll use equal. So x x greater than or equal 60. What we will print here, pass. Else we'll use here again printf. What we'll use here, fail. That's it. Let's see here the let me take the environments. Okay, so run, enter your mark. Let me add a new line after each here, print out. So enter your mark. If my mark is 55, so fail. Otherwise, if my mark is 89, so it will be pass. So this is the first question for today. Let me go direct with another example. Okay, this one for example. Write a C program to test whether variable x is odd number. If it's print is odd, otherwise print even. So how can I know You can make it empty here again. How can you know this number is even or odd? So again, I have only one number, so let's use the same variable. Again, I want to ask user to input, so I will use printf enter the value of x. So scanf now I will use again if. How can I know this value is even? If this value, as a reminder of dividing this value with 2, is equal 0. So if this one, so means that this is what printf the value is even. Otherwise, else the value is odd. And that's it. Please enter the value of x. 5, it's odd, the value is odd. If it's 4, so the value is even. Okay, so okay, now let's check another example. Yeah. Okay, let's continue here. Let's take this example about switch case. So build a C program to print number of days in a month using switch case. Let's take it in this way. I will type the number of month, means if I put number 1, that means this is January, so I want to show how many days in this month. Okay, so let's do it in this way. Here I have, for example, this variable x. Now I want to ask user to enter a number. When the user enter the number, the number will be scanned, will be stored in the integer here, the value of the variable x. So here d decimal x. Now switch x. So case, if the user type 1 means first month, which is January, so I want to show how many days in this month. Printf how many days we have. 31 days. Now otherwise we have how many month here? We have 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in case 1, after print, we'll go to break, and then we'll go to case 2. Case 2, here February we have 28 days. Case 3, we have 31. Case 4, we have 30. Case 5, we have 31. Okay, and so on here. So here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's say 11. Okay, and then of course we have break after each day. Here we have break. Here we have break. And then default will print here in fact. Let's check here. Okay, let's see here what we have. Yeah, this is by mistake. 1. Okay, let's remove this one to save the time. Okay, go here. Enter a number. If I put 1, it will show me here 20 or 31 days. If I put 2. Okay, and so on. If I put for example 90, okay, so go here 4, okay, and this number, okay, should show here invalid, and it will not print. This is the default printf. Okay, so here will not take the will not print the normal days here. Okay, so this is about switch.